Thank you for purchasing the HK Aspirator from HK Surgical. In this DVD, you'll learn step-by-step how to install and set up your new HK Aspirator. This instructional information will also be available as a link on hksurgical.com. Or if you have questions, please call HK Surgical at 1-800-909-0060.
Now I'm going to take you through a description of the components. Included with the HK aspirator are the following items. Included with the HK aspiration pump is the HK aspirator user's manual, 2 foot pedals, a power cord, an optional power cord for connecting the aspirator pump to the Klein infiltration pump, the aspirator filter, 2 pieces of aspirator filter tubing, the collection canister rod, 2 collection canister brackets, a spacer and an Allen wrench for attaching the spacer. This spacer goes between the collection canister brackets, 2 dowel rings for use with the thinner canisters, a Baxter canister, Baxter canister liner, and HK aspiration tubing. The following items are optional to accompany your aspirator and are available at HK Surgical. HK Fine Touch Aspiration Tubing. This is used in conjunction with HK aspiration tubing for the chin, cheek, and jowl areas. HK Heavy Aspiration Tubing. This is perfect for physicians who prefer heavier and longer tubing. It's 12 feet long and compatible with the Sorenson Abbott canister. The Klein cart. This is specifically made to accommodate and organize surgical instruments with an entire Klein system. The second shelf holds the Klein infiltration pump, and the lower area accommodates the HK aspirator. If you should need to review these again after watching the DVD, you can go online to hksurgical.com and click on the available link, or call HK Surgical at 1-800-909-0060. Here are the setup and user instructions. Screw the included collection canister rod into the threaded hole on the top of the aspirator. Attach the brackets to the collection canister rod. And insert the Baxter canister into the bracket. Attach the lid to the canister liner. Insert the liner into the canister. Attach the cap to the ortho port and the red tubing to the vacuum port. To set up your aspiration filter, connect the silicone tubing to each end of the filter. Connect the end that says pump to the gold port on the top of the pump. And connect the other end of the tubing to the red tubing on the canister. It's important to have proper placement of this filter between the port and the red tubing in order to have proper suction, and making sure that everything is connected tightly is essential. Plug the pneumatic foot pedal cord into the front of the aspirator. Plug the main power cord into the back of the aspirator. Plug the other end into any AC outlet with the same voltage requirements. Next, attach your aspiration tubing to the L-shaped cap on the liner lid and attach the other end to the aspiration equipment. It's important to maintain sterility during setup and surgery. Press the main power rocker switch to the on position. The green LED will glow. Next, when using the foot pedal, the rocker button should be in the foot switch position. Push on the foot switch to turn the aspirator on. If the suction is too strong, turn the dial down towards minimum. To turn the suction machine off, press the foot pedal again. For use without the foot pedal, the rocker button can be placed in the continuous mode, and the blue LED will illuminate. Here are some tips to consider for user maintenance. Unplug the unit from its power source prior to cleaning with any solution. Dirt, dried materials, and other stains should be scrubbed with a soft bristled brush. If using a stronger cleaner or bristled brush, test in an inconspicuous area, such as the bottom, before using on the entire unit. Do not use any flammable solutions to clean the machine. Do not pour any solution directly onto the aspirator. To do so may cause some solution to leak into the enclosure and cause electrical shock. Suction tubing used with the aspirator must be sterile and single-use only. You must change the tubing with each patient. An HK service technician must conduct any additions or changes that need to be made to your aspirator to meet your needs. Any additions or changes made to the aspirator without prior clearance from HK will void your warranty.
Once assembled, should you have any problems with your new Klein aspirator, please watch the enclosed troubleshooting video or call us at HK Surgical, 1-800-909-0060.